This is a tutorial on how to connect your Particle Photon kit to the cloud. First step is to connect your USB port to a computer or any power source, and once you see your flashing blue light, you then need to go download the Particle app. Now we are downloading the app. Just going to my app store in my iPhone and searching for Particle Photon. And there it is. Selecting it. Downloading it. Now we will open it and select Get Started and fill in your credentials. And before we get to this next screen here, it'll ask you which particle device you would like to use. You just simply select Photon. Once you do select Photon, follow the steps here. So now we're just going to go select our Wi-Fi. And then we are connected to our Wi-Fi, so now we're going to select our Particle Photon, and I'm just going to refresh my page here and see if, and yeah, there it is, Photon network has showed up, and I selected it and I can connect it. Now this will automatically update once you go back to your app. And after that has connected, it's going to ask you to select your Wi-Fi network that you are using, and I'm just going to select my Wi-Fi, and it will take you through these steps here, passing a couple of different checkpoints. This may take probably be the longest process here. And just going to verify the device and ownership. And once that happens, you'll be prompted to this screen and just go through all these steps here. And now I'm just gonna, it'll also ask you to create a name. I created my name there. And then from here, I'm just going to select Tinker. And then from Tinker, I'm just going to go through all these welcome steps. See, I'm just going through all these welcome introductions. And yeah, it's just talking about the app, get you familiar with it. And then you'll get to this screen, and then we're going to want to look at D7 here. So I click on D7, I click Digital Write, and then now you'll see it says Low D7. If I click it D7 again, it'll now say High D7. And what that will do is, when we go back to look at our photon, our particle photon, you will see that we have a new blue light here right below the Wi-Fi blue light. And if we go back to our Particle Photon app and click D7 again, now it says low. We go back to look at our Particle Photon. Now we can see that the light is off now, as it was before. And going back to our Particle Photon app, we're going to click low, and now it's going to switch to high. And we go look back at our Particle Photon, and we can see the light is now back on. And that is how you set up your Particle Photon kit. Thank you for watching.